I knew it. It's broken. The storm's coming. Better call Hudson for tools. Hudson.
Hello?
Yeah, the baler broke and the storm's coming. I need to get the field bailed up.
The brown bellows broke.
Can you bring me some tools?
Okay, I'll grab some tools.
Okay, I'll be waiting right here. Hurry.
Get in the field tools.
You gonna help me fix it?
Yeah.
You got some tools for us?
I have wrenches, a hammer.
You got some wrenches, a hammer, and a pry bar? That should work.
Yeah.
You gonna fix it? Okay. Hey, I think we need that pry bar. Can you bring that pry bar?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, so come here. Stick it right here and we'll try and fix this part. You ready? All right, did we get it? See if does that spin? Try and spin it now. See if it spins.
Spinning a little bit.
Oh, it spins. We fixed that part.
Oh, I know what's wrong.
What's wrong?
The hay is blocking the hay bales.
Okay, try and clean that off. There you go. Cool. Now I need that hammer. You want to grab the hammer for me?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Let's see that hammer right quick. Try to hit this piece back. That looks pretty straight now. Now let's see, we need one of those wrenches.
Do you need the big one or the other big one?
The big one.
This is the big one.
Okay, can you try and tighten that piece right there? Let's see. Let me see. Is it good? Try this other side. I think we're good. You think it's ready to bail?
Oh, wait a second.
Oh, you got to fix something else?
There's some little more hay on this.
Okay, clean that off. We don't want it to catch fire again. How does the inside look? Does it look good?
Yeah. And there's a little bit of hay.
It's a little bit of hay, but it looks good, don't you think? You want to start baling? Okay. Let's see if it worked. Come on, put your tools back.
It looks nice and smooth.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and watch more of our videos. Bye.